Hi boys and girls, how are you all? Did you enjoy making your St. Patrick's Day t-shirt? I saw some photographs and they looked amazing. So well done guys, you did a fabulous job. So this week we're going to make dragons and butterflies. And this is the dragon video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make it. And as we did with the t-shirts, everything will be in your little bag. And you just need to assemble it and colour it in. All right, so this is our dragon. Oh, this is my dragon. And he's got his cool wings there, but he also has a little message on the bottom. Can you see what that says? Because on Sunday is Mother's Day, okay? So if you wanted to, you could kind of give your little dragon to your mother as a little gift and she can hang it on the wall, okay? And he kind of does a little bit of flying as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the first thing you're going to get in your kit is your wing shape, okay? And I've done kind of a little pattern on the wings for you that you can colour in, but you don't have to do that. You can, if you decide you don't like my pattern, you want to do your own, you just turn it around and do your own pattern on the other side, and then that will become the front of the wings, okay? You can use, I'm going to put crayons in the bag for you to colour in, to colour in, but if you don't want to use crayons and you have things at home that you can use, that's perfectly fine. I coloured my dragon in with these watercolour paints, and these are great for colouring in big areas, so you can use these either. I got these in deals for $1.50, fantastic value. Oh, no, I didn't, sorry, telling a lie, got these in Tiger for €2, but I know they have them in deals as well. So we have our wings, and you've coloured it in or you've done your painting. If you've painted it, let it dry. Because if you don't let it dry and you put your stickies on, it won't stick. So let it dry really well before you put your stickies on. So once you've coloured it all in, you're going to put a sticky in the middle and you're going to peel off the paper, and then we're going to stick on our little box that you'll have in your kit as well, and you're just going to put it into the centre there and stick it down. Next thing you're going to do then is put stickies on top of the box. You're going to peel that off, paper off, not the sticky, just the paper. And you're going to stick your dragon shape on. Now this dragon shape, I've done the detail on it for you because you have to do it with permanent marker. And although I don't mind using permanent markers here because it doesn't matter if you get things on the table, because this is an old table, you won't have access to permanent markers at home. And crayons don't work on this, and nor does paint because it's shiny surface. But if Mummy and Daddy have a permanent marker and let you use it, you have to be very careful with it, but you'll be able to use the permanent marker on this material, okay? So I'm going to stick my dragon there on the top, just like that, press it down. So that's that done. Then I'm going to decorate my heart, and you can do whatever you like on the heart, colour it in, and you're going to then get, sorry I forgot to cut it. In your kit, you'll get a little piece of cardboard that you can stick on the back of your love heart. It'll be folded like that, and you can stick it on the back of your love heart, and it'll just make your love heart kind of stand out a little bit from your dragon, and you can write your little message to your mummy there. How easy is that? Okay, I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Yep, that's it. So easy peasy. So colour in, take your time colouring in your wings, because the more colour you put in, the better it'll look. And it'll also have a little ribbon on the back so that you can hang it on the wall. I'll make sure of that too. These will be ready for collection. The kits will be ready for collection on Tuesday from 12 to 3. Or if that doesn't suit you, Mummy and Daddy, just get them to give me a text, because I will be around on Tuesday evening as well, and they can collect them that night too. And please send me pictures. I'd love to see your pictures of your dragons. And I hope you have fun doing them, and I hope you're not too bored at home and not meeting up with your friends and not going to school. Don't worry, it won't be like this forever. But I hope you have fun making your dragon, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.